Welcome everyone. Today we will learn divisibility test from the number 2 to 11. These tests help us to check divisibility of a number without actual division. These tests help us when we perform prime factorization or HCF or LCM by prime factorization method. Divisibility means a number is said to be divisible by a number if after performing division correctly we get quotient as a whole number and the remainder is 0. Let's check divisibility test by 2. If the unit digit or ones place in a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the entire number is divisible by 2. Examples. Here we have so many numbers and we will check which number is divisible by 2. For divisibility by 2, the unit place must be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. In first number 35, unit place is 5, so it is not divisible by 2. Second number 78, unit place is 8, it is divisible by 2. Third number 209, unit place is 9, so it is not divisible by 2. Fourth number 134, unit place is 4, it is divisible by 2. Next number, unit place is 0, it is divisible by 2. Next number, the unit place is 3, it is not divisible by 2. Next number, unit place is 2, it is divisible by 2. Next number is 56. Here unit digit is 6, so it is also divisible by 2. The last number is 117. Unit digit is 7, it is not divisible by 2. So just by observing the unit digit, we can check the divisibility by 2. Next, divisibility test by 3. If the sum of all the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. Please note, for the divisibility by 3, we need the sum of all the digits of the given number. Example, 384 divisible by 3. We will add all the digits 3 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 384 is divisible by 3. Let's take one more example. Is 192875 divisible by 3? We will add 1 plus 9 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to. For quick answer, we will use associative property of addition. We will add 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8 and 7 plus 5. It will give us 10 plus 10 plus 12 means 32, which is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 19 is not divisible by 3. Divisibility test by 4. If in the given number the last two digits, the number formed with unit and tens place is 00 or divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. Here we have two numbers 24684. The last two digits are 84. 84, we will divide 84 by 4 and we get remainder 0. 84 is divisible by 4, so 24684 is also divisible by 4. In the number 25300, the last two digits are 00. So we can say last two digits are 00, so 25300 is also divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. It is very easy. If the unit place in the given number is 0 or 5, then the entire number is divisible by 5. Let's take some numbers. 234. The unit place is 4. So obviously it is not divisible by 5. Since the unit place in the number is not 0 or 5, so 234 is not divisible by 5. In the next number, the unit digit is 0. We will write, since the unit digit in the number is 0, so this entire number is divisible by 5. Let's see third number. Here the unit digit is 5. So this number is also divisible by 5 since the unit digit in the number is 5. Just by making a little change, we will get the divisibility test by 10. Look at the first line, divisibility test by 10. If the unit place in the given number is 0 or 5, we have to remove. Then the entire number is divisible by 10. Let's check the divisibility of these numbers by 10. First number is 234, unit digit is 4, so obviously it is not divisible by 10. In second number, unit digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. Third number, unit digit is 5, it is also not divisible by 10. For first number, we will write, since unit place is not 0, so 234 is not divisible by 10. For second number, we will write, since the unit digit is 0, so the entire number is divisible by 10. In the third part of the example, we will write, since the unit digit is not 0, so the entire number is not divisible by 10. Now it's your turn to check divisibility of these numbers by 4, 5 and 10. The four numbers are given here. First number is 1250, second number is 375, third number is 932 and the fourth number is 2020. Let's see divisibility test by 6. If the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the entire number is divisible by 6. Example, 438 is the number. The unit digit is 8. Since the unit digit is 8, so 438 is divisible by 2. Let's check its divisibility by 3. For this, we need to add all the digits of the number. 4 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 15 is by 3, so 438 is also divisible by 3. Since the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so this number is also divisible by 6. Now it's your turn to check divisibility of the given numbers by 2, 3 and 6. The first number is 215, second number is 672, third number is 1094 and the fourth number is 747. Let's understand divisibility of a number by 7. For this, take the last digit of the given number, double it, then subtract the result from the rest of the number. If the resulting number is completely divisible by 7, so the entire number is divisible by 7. Repeat this process many times until we arrive at a sufficiently small number. Let's check divisibility of 217 by 7. The last digit is 7, so double of 7 is 14. Subtract 14 from 21, we get 7. 7 is divisible by 7, so 217 is also divisible by 7. Let's take one more example. Here the last digit is 4, so double of 4 is 8. Subtract 8 from 3521, we get 3513, but it is not a sufficiently small number, so repeat the process. 3513, the last digit is 3, so double of 3 is 6. Subtract 6 from 351, we get 345. Repeat the process because 345 is also not a sufficiently small number. Double the last digit of the number, that is 5. So double of 5 is 10. Subtract 10 from 34. The answer is 24. Since 24 is not divisible by 7, so 35214 is also not divisible by 7. Now you check divisibility of these numbers by 7. The first number is 672 and the second number is 3965. Divisibility by 8. If the last three digits of the given number are 000 or divisible by 8, then the entire number is divisible by 8. Here the first number is 4000 and the last three digits are 000. So this number is divisible by 8. The next number is 3874. Just see the last three digits. Divide 874 by 8. 8 1 is 8. Then 7 copy down. 8 9s are 72. Here we'll get remainder 2. Remainder is not 0, so the entire number is not divisible by 8. Let's see third number 5120. Last three digits are 120. We will divide 120 by 8. 8 1 is 8. Remainder 4. Then we'll copy 0. 8 5s are 40. Remainder will be 0. Remainder is 0, so 5120 is divisible by 8. Now you check whether these numbers are divisible by 8. The first number is 2000, second number is 11128 and the third number is 21612. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of all the digits of the given number is divisible by 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. To check divisibility of the number by 9, we add all the digits. 3 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 25. Since 25 is not divisible by 9, so the entire number is not divisible by 9. Next question is 83934 divisible by 9. So we will add all the digits. We get 27. Since 27 is divisible by 9, so 83934 is also divisible by 9. Did you realize that the divisibility test by 3 and 9 are almost same? Now you check, are these numbers divisible by 9? The first number is 4635 and the second number is 8185. Divisibility by 11. If the difference between the sum of the digits at the odd places from the right and the sum of the digits even places from the right of the number, if the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Let's do with the example. Is 1375 divisible by 11? For divisibility by 11, we have to find the difference between the sum of the digits at the odd places and the sum of the digits at the even places. First of all, we give numbering to the digits from the right hand side. Now the sum of the digits at odd places is, odd places we have 3 and 5, so we'll write 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now sum of the digits at even places. So at even places we have 1 and 7. So we'll add 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Now we will subtract these sums. 3 plus 5 8 and 1 plus 7 8. So we'll get difference is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Since the difference is 0, therefore 1375, this number is divisible by 11. We can write yes in the bracket. Let's do next example. Is 23649 divisible by 11? Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over the digits from right hand side. Sum of odd places. At odd places we have 9 plus 6 plus 2. So we'll add 9 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 17. And now sum of even places. At even places we have 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Difference of 17 and 7 is 10. This difference is neither 0 nor a multiple of 11, so the given number is not divisible by 11. Now you check, are these numbers divisible by 11? The first number is 27192 and the second number is 49328. Please hit like, share and subscribe this channel. It will motivate me to help others.